was a man who knows the price of everything and value of nothing. Book name 21वीं सदी बनाम उज्जवल भविष्य भाग 2 21st Century versus a Bright Future Part 2. Change is the only constant. The mountains have changed over the period of time. Oceans have changed. Land masses are changing continuously. Even humans change. DNAs have transformed. Everything is changing around humans for centuries or so. Still, these are not termed as revolution. A revolution, on the contrary, is also a type of change, but occurring within a brief span of time, spreading over a vast area. It is like a phenomenon occurring within a short duration on time scale, but extensive in its catchment. When Mahakal, the manifestation of Shiva, acts upon his resolution, rapid changes occur. A revolution begins and takes a humongous shape within no time. Relevant examples can be the Mahabharata, end of Ravan, and establishing of Ram Rajya. All such revolutions occurred within a brief span of time. If we were to associate this with the current times, we may say that COVID-19, a catastrophic virus, has spread across the world within no time, creating mayhem all around. If we wish to look at the silver lining in this scenario, the development of the vaccine by scientists, which usually involves decades of research, was made available in almost a year. Nature has healed itself while humans were in hibernation during the lockdown. Humanity has taken a step back and may have performed an introspection on self, only to realize that it was on the track of cynicism. It took a pandemic for humankind to realize the true value of life. Few excerpts from the book. In history, there are examples like Buddha's Dharmachakra, expansion of communism, strong thinking and emergence of democracy, abolition of slavery, etc. are such incidents which nobody could have imagined before they took place. Everyone is worried about such a rapid change in circumstances in today's time and is thinking about the future of humanity. Renowned American futurist Alvin Toffler, in his book The Future Shock, described that in a way it is good that all these ill efforts were committed by humankind. Invitations to all the world problems were sent by humans. Because of this, it is only human who is now keen to find the solution also for all the problems it has invited. It is very well known to the world the power and impact of three forces of humankind. They are more or less responsible for progress and development of nations. The credit for progress or degradation of any nation, individual or institution goes to these following three powers. First, wisdom power includes arts, science and literature. Second, governing power, safety, management, resources and administration for the world. Third, money power, which includes industrialization, financial institutions, etc. In the incarnation of new age, there will be now an emergence of a fourth power that shall occur, which is alive somewhere in some way, but its dominance is rarely seen. Talented talent, talent power, they are the administrators who would be different in a way that they won't be in a rat race. In fact, they will be stunning, dominant, powerful, and at the same time sensitive, honest, intellectual, philosophical, and disciplined as well. Few topics covered in the book. Rays of light peeping through the darkness of woes. Today's problem has arisen due to the misuse of the human brain. Elimination of disappointment from every sphere possible. The emergence of the fourth power.